Hey, what's up? Good morning. As you can see, we're doing an oil change. Why are we doing an oil change? Well, basically, we're going to be driving with a whole bunch of the homies out to Des Moines, Iowa, to a place called Off the Line Performance. There's a bunch of sick cars out there. They asked me if I wanted to bring my car. Appreciate the invite, so I'm just going to follow along and film. Let's go see some cool cars.
Sorry, it's just people are complaining.
Too bad!
You know, they want to know if you guys can maybe try tuning up again or
No!
play on the beat and just do it right.
No!
Right.
Let's stop fooling around and turn this band into a lean, mean, mom cheese revenge machine! Mom cheese! Check me out. Oh my god, that's so scary.
What do you want me to say? It's never going away. Just I'm stuck on you like the smell of cigarettes on your flower dress. I want you under my fingernails. I want you in my sleep and in my dreams. I wake up spooning my pillow. Sweaty hands, but please don't tell your friends. Now I'm addicted to cigarettes. At first I didn't let myself inhale. The smoke got through, and so did you, and now everybody.
What up, y'all? We're somewhere in Iowa, I think Des Moines. Off the Line Performance invited us to their industry night, their little private meet that they do every single year and invite a bunch of people out. I was like, yeah, I could probably bring a couple cars to the meet, like a few cars, then people bailed, but then we're bringing like 15 cars, so I'm really sorry, boys, but it should be a good night. Thank you so much, boys, for filming this. I really appreciate you, because I was not going to do this for sure, so.
Because I like to, yes, I'm just like you. I don't mind that you lie sometimes. Because I like to, yes, I'm just like you. I don't mind that you lie sometimes. Because I lie too. Guess I'm just like you. I don't mind that you lie sometimes. Because I lie too. Guess I'm just like you.
Yeah, when I was. this one's for you. I was like, that was worth it.